Welcome friends to this series of Learning Google Cloud Platform. We are continuing the new playlist for Google Cloud Storage Solutions. In the last lecture we got introduced with Google Cloud Storage and we came to know different storage classes of GCS. Today we will see what is versioning in Google Cloud Storage. In upcoming lecture we will slowly deep dive into each of them and will be experienced with the practical demo. We are sure that you will enjoy the series. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it now. This will help you to get new videos upon releasing. Also hit the bell notification button to get notified too. So, let's get started. Safeguarding your data with object history in Google Cloud Storage with GCS versioning. Data integrity and maintaining access to past versions are crucial aspects of data management. Google Cloud Storage, GCS, offers a powerful feature called object versioning that empowers you to achieve these goals. This in-depth exploration delves into the mechanics, benefits, and considerations of GCS versioning, equipping you to effectively utilize it for your data storage needs. Unveiling object versioning in GCS. GCS, unlike traditional file systems, operates on objects, immutable entities with unique identifiers stored within buckets. Object versioning introduces a historical dimension to this storage approach. When enabled for a bucket, every time an object is modified, uploaded with a new version, overwritten, or its metadata changes, GCS creates a new version of the object. These versions are retained alongside the current, live, version, allowing you to access previous states of your data. Here's a breakdown of key concepts. Generations. Each object version receives a unique generation number assigned sequentially. Every modification creates a new version with an incremented generation number. Meta-generations. Even without versioning enabled, objects have meta-generations that change when object metadata, example permissions, is modified. Live version, the most recent version of an object accessible through regular access methods. Non-current versions, previous versions of the object retained after modifications. They are identifiable by their generation numbers and accessible through specific methods. Benefits of GCS versioning. Implementing GCS versioning unlocks several advantages for data management. Data recovery. Restore previous versions of objects in case of accidental deletions, modifications, or data corruption. This rollback capability proves invaluable for maintaining data integrity. Audit trails. Track changes made to objects over time by examining version history. This functionality facilitates auditing and compliance requirements. Collaboration. Enable multiple users to work on the same object without the risk of overwriting each other's work. By accessing previous versions, collaborators can revert to earlier modifications if needed. Long-term archiving. GCS versioning allows you to retain historical versions of objects indefinitely, alongside active data, for archival purposes. This functionality facilitates maintaining a complete data record for historical analysis or future reference. However, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. Increased storage costs. GCS stores all versions of objects, leading to higher storage costs compared to non-versioned buckets. Carefully evaluate your version retention needs to optimize costs. Complexity management. Managing a large number of object versions can become cumbersome. Utilize lifecycle management rules to automatically delete older versions based on defined criteria. While GCS versioning offers significant benefits, keep these points in mind. Define a version retention policy. Determine how long to retain older versions based on your data lifecycle requirements. Implement lifecycle management rules to automatically delete older versions to manage storage costs. Versioning doesn't prevent deletions. GCS versioning doesn't prevent the deletion of the entire bucket, including all versions. Utilize Cloud Storage Object Lock for additional protection against accidental or unauthorized deletion. Versioning overhead. Uploading and deleting object versions involve additional operations compared to non-versioned buckets. This might introduce slight performance overhead in specific scenarios. By understanding the mechanics, advantages, and considerations of GCS versioning, you can leverage it effectively to safeguard your data, enable collaborative editing, and maintain a complete historical record within your GCP storage strategy. Remember to weigh the benefits against potential cost implications and define clear version retention policies for optimal utilization. Thank you friends for watching this video. We from the Learning Light team congratulate you for completing this learning. Today we learnt about basic theories behind the GCS versioning. In the upcoming lectures slowly we will deep dive into each of them and will be experienced with the practical demo. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it now. This will help you to get new videos upon releasing. Also hit the bell notification button to get notified too.